I hope all of you can clearly see me. Give me a thumbs up, give me a yes if you can hear me and if you can see me. Both of them are very important. Yes, 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 yes. Great. I have one big request to make to all of you is that do not open any other tabs because it's gonna be just about 1.5 hours, right? So we're gonna have a great time together. We're gonna have lots of learnings, I promise you. But I just want that do not open so many tabs and do not get into anything else when we are here because it's just about 1.5 hours. And whatever I'm gonna teach you today, I want to get one promise from all of you that you're gonna implement it. You're gonna implement at least one thing out of it because we're gonna talk about various things, right? As I mentioned in the audio also that we're going to talk about 8 secrets, 8 problems, and then the secrets, right? So can I get a thumbs up once again? Say yes if you are with me that yes, you're going to implement at least one thing out of it, what you're going to learn today. Then it's going to make a difference. Thanks, Arpita. How about others? How about others? Yes, Vikram. Okay, great. How about others? Yes, Nitish. Yes, Yogesh. Okay. Yes, Nagarajan. Wonderful, 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 guys. Okay, so let me just share my screen with you guys. And once again, give me a thumbs up once you see my screen. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen once again? Give me a thumbs up if you can see my screen and type in yes. Arpita says yes. Okay. Yeah, Nitish says yes. Okay, guys, that's wonderful. That's nice. So we are here to understand that how someone can build unshakable confidence, even if that's a big thing here, you are not good at English. Yeah. Are you with me? Are you with me? That's what you are here for. Or is there anything else which is right now there in your head you want to go on and learn from me today? Anything else? Yeah. So Arpita says yes. Anybody else, who feels that I want to learn something else? I was not here for this topic. I was here for some other topic. Yes. If you have that, you can type in. If it's like the same, we are on the same page, you can type in yes. We are on the button. We are on the money. Yeah. Okay. Vikram says yes. Okay, great. Superb. So let's begin. So how many of you actually feel that English language is the biggest barrier in grooming yourself to confidence? How many of you feel that English language is the biggest barrier when it comes to grooming yourself to confidence? How many of you feel this? Me, yes. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay, Yaman has raised a hand. Okay, that's lovely. Okay. Subhashish says, yes, me, but not so tough. Of course. Yes, that's true. Okay. A, I believe is Anu, if I'm correct. So has raised hand. Okay, great, 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 great. So most of you, right, feel this. Now, a follow-up on this, a follow-up. How many of you feel that a degree or a certificate helped you groom to confidence? Whatever degrees, whatever certificates, whatever qualifications you have done, where you have spent maybe, thousands, lakhs of rupees, do you think that was something which actually groomed you to confidence? A degree, a certificate? Arpita says no. Sudhir says no. Vikram says no. Yaman says no. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Because this is important, guys. I'm just trying to understand here that it's only a piece of paper, Vikram says. Okay, interesting, interesting, interesting. Anybody else who has a different thought, right? Most of you feel that it hasn't helped, but anybody who has a different thought here, who can say that, maybe, yes, it has helped to some extent. Okay. So I got the answer, right? So most of you said that no, it's not the degree, it's not the certificate. Now, in today's webinar, guys, I want to make it very clear that I'm going to go and break your myth if it is so, because most of you said that English is one of the language, which is helping you and which is going to help you become confident. Yes, it is important. Yes, it makes a difference. But क्या सिर्फ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज ही सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर है या उससे पहले कोई और भी बड़े फैक्टर्स हैं जिससे कि आप सुपर कॉन्फिडेंट हो सकते हैं और सुपर कॉन्फिडेंटली रह सकते हैं अगर आपको इंग्लिश आता है या नहीं आता है? Immaterial, I'm telling you that. I'm going to do that, right? So that's my big bold promise to you. For next 1.5 hours, I'm going to break that myth if you have it. Most of you have it, by the way. How to dream big, become smart, and attract more opportunities, even if you do not know English. So I'm going to do that as well, right? And then I'm going to reveal the 3 big secrets which will help you understand and go deep into it. That yes, Vishal, what you are saying, we agree to it, we do not agree to it. And we're going to chat, we're going to interact on that. You can always tell me that, this is working, this is right, this is not working. This is something which I'm able to relate to, and this is something which I'm not able to relate to. Yeah. So is webinar agenda clear to all of you? Or is there anything else which you feel that, should be discussed and should be talked about? You can type in yes if it's clear. Anyone who feels that, there is something different you are here to learn and what I'm showing you. Clear. Bikram says clear. Lovely. So 1 thumbs up. Anybody else who feels the same? Okay. Arpita says clear. Yaman says clear. Superb, guys. With your thumbs up, let me just go ahead. Yeah. So poll 1, it's like you have to answer this open-ended question to me. Why do you want to develop unshakable confidence? You guys are here to develop unshakable confidence. You guys are here because you felt that, this is something which is important. This is a confidence masterclass, right? All of us know that. Now, why do you want to develop unshakable confidence? What is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? That I feel for me, unshakable confidence is important because fed up of low confidence. No, this is not the reason, Sudhir. Think about it. When I say I am underconfident because I have low confidence, it's not the answer, right? I am underconfident because this one, or I want to be confident because this. To get success in every field, lovely, Vikram. Arpita, I want to come out of my comfort zone. Oh, wow. I am loving it, Arpita. Lovely. To get success in every field. Anybody? See, guys, this is important. You guys are here to understand that, I want to gain confidence. I want to build that muscle, build that courage muscle. Yes. So Nitish says to attract more opportunities. Okay. To have growth in career. Very nice, Yaman. That's why we look for confidence, guys. That's true. What else? What else? What else? Anyone, guys? Rachna, Rakesh, Surya, and then after that, Arpita. Anyone, guys? If you can just go on. To lead the team. Lovely. Yeah. This is coming out clearly now. This is something which is achieve the thing which I want. What is that thing what you want, Surya? What is that thing? What do you want to achieve? What is your one thing which you will get if you become confident? Talk about that. To communicate your message. Okay. Yogesh, your chat is only coming to host and panelist. You need to change it to everyone. That'll be great. If you can just change your chat. Quicker career progression, Nitish says. Lovely. So this is lovely. This is clear now. I think to lead the team, of course. Yes, Yogesh, you mentioned about it. Okay. So it gives me a lot of clarity, right? And I am now going to present you how it's going to work. But before that, there's a poll too, right? Which is important. I'm just diving deep into it. What do you think is the biggest problem that is holding you back from developing unshakable confidence? What is that one thing which is stopping you? What is that one thing which is holding you back from developing that unshakable confidence? Can you tell me what is that one thing? Because you know it. Overthinking, fear of failure. Anyone else? You guys want to develop unshakable confidence, right? So what is the problem? What is the hurdle which is stopping you? So that know your self-worth and nobody can demotivate us, right, Rohini? That's what you meant. So that know my self-worth and then nobody can. Fear of failure, right? My fearness, my mind limitations. People demean always. Okay. This is really, really interesting, guys. I would like to establish business company turnover 5 crore on 28 May 1980. Okay, guys, anyone else? Always thinking that someone might know better than me. Inferiority complex. That's right, Surya, 2025. That's why you want to develop unshakable confidence. So business, your career and your growth, and then somebody said money. Somebody said that, I want to actually be very clear. I have no fear and I want to kill that fear and move on, develop the progression and grow in my life. Right. So just to put that in a summary form. And now the problems which you have talked about, that the problems are pretty serious. Yeah. Some of you said fear. Some of you said people demean you. Some of you said that, I don't know myself and I sometimes get demotivated. And some of you actually said that, it's overthinking. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? Okay, guys, with this, now let me tell you what are the real reasons behind it. What are the real reasons? Yeah, so there are 8 real reasons, or maybe we can say them as problems which make you underconfident, right? Number one, the number one is not able to grow in my career. That's the biggest problem which is making you underconfident. When you're not able to grow, you do not feel like that, I'm a confident person. And when you especially see others growing in the same organization and following the same thing, and maybe sometimes you are hardworking, sometimes you are doing most of the stuff, but still the career progression is happening with somebody else. Is that right? Give me a thumbs up if this is happening to you. Give me a thumbs up, give me a yes if that's happening to you. That करियर प्रोग्रेशन हो ही नहीं रहा है, ग्रोथ आ ही नहीं रहा है, सब कुछ कर लिया, हार्डवर्क कर लिया, और बहुत सारे और लोग हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में या आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में जो कि एक्चुअली ग्रो कर रहे हैं. Look at this. So most of you feel that this is happening, right? That's your number one, guys. Let's jump into the number 2 real problem. Bad relationships with boss. Or sometimes approaching a boss is also difficult. And that's why relationships are not improving. Both are interlinked, guys. You sometimes do not get that window. Somebody else comes in and peeps in and gets the job done. However, when it comes to you, you feel, what's happening? Why is my boss not listening to me? And why am I not able to improve the relationship with my boss? How many of you feel that this is happening? How many of you feel that this is the real problem which is happening? That you're not able to actually develop relationship with your boss, or you're not actually able to approach your boss when it is actually required, when it actually means appraisal आया, आपको discussion करना है appraisal के ऊपर, or then you are saying that, this is the time now, I need to go and talk to my boss. And whatever he's going to give this time, I'm not going to accept it. Right? Sometimes it happens. How many of you feel that, this is a moment? So Dheer says it's a cyclic thing. Vikram, thumbs up. So this is not something which is a very common problem, right? So most of you feel that, it's there, but not that great. I am good in my relationships with my boss. If that's the case, you can type in yes. Yes, I am good in relationship with my boss. That's not the problem. That's not the problem. You can type in yes if that's not the problem. Go on, guys. No answer means there is a problem. Yes, clearly. Vikram says, I don't like my boss. Okay. Anybody else? Anybody else? Cool, guys. So I like my boss, Arpita says. Lovely. Not able to cope up with inside politics. How many of you have this kind of a problem that you're not able to cope up with the inside politics? Hence, you feel underconfident. Your internal politics is not allowing you to move ahead. Is that right? Is that happening to you? You've been, there since long, maybe 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. And sometimes somebody comes in and pulls your leg down and you are like, what happened? I was all set. So there will come to that. Right now, I'm just looking for yes or no, that whether you can come out of it or not, that's the part of the webinar which is going to get covered. And you will feel that, it is possible. It is yes, possible to cover. Yeah. So just hold on your horses as of now. Right now, I'm looking for yes or no. Is that the reason, one of the big problem you are facing, that you're not able to cope up with the internal politics which is happening in the office? So very few, right? Okay. Stuck on the same salary bracket since last 2 to 5 years and not getting promoted like the way others are. Stuck on the same salary bracket since last 2 to 5 years. How many of you are able to relate to it? How many of you are able to relate to it, that you are almost stuck at the, you see, guys, do not consider that, if you're getting a 2%, 5% hike, which is like a linear trend, is the growth which is there. Same salary bracket since last 2 to 5 years, not changing much. Is that something which is happening to you? Peanuts. Yes. Vikram says no. Lovely. Okay. How about others? How about others? How about Gaurav? How about Kalyan? How about Mohan? How about Nagaraj? How about Rachna? How about Rakesh? How about Sheetal? How about Surya? How about Vani? How about Yaman? How about Yogesh? Guys, what do you feel? Is this a problem or not? So yes, no, mix of it so far, right? Let me show you the fifth major problem, which is not allowing you to become super confident or making you unable to grab new opportunities in the market. Is that happening to you? You are unable to grab the new opportunities in the market. Is that happening to you? You're not able to grab opportunities in the market. Somehow you feel that, there are many opportunities which come, but then I'm not able to grab those opportunities. My CV doesn't get shortlisted. And whenever I feel that, I'm all set, I'm all geared up, and now this time I'm going to make it happen. And you feel that call hi nahi aaya, and I didn't get the opportunity. Surya says no, I'm able to grab. Kalyan says yes. How about others? Nitish says yes, not getting the opportunities. How about others? How about others, guys? Come on. Vikram, yes, not able to grab the opportunities. Okay. How about others? Anybody else who feels the same? Yogesh, yes, not able to grab the opportunities. So this is also having a great problem. Arpita says, I just started my career and so don't know. Tried, but low confidence. Okay. Yes, of course, that's there, Sudhir. Unable to grab new opportunities and then failed in an interview multiple times because of your underconfident state. And that's becoming a big problem for you. Nagarajan says able to do that with pandemic as well. Lovely. So now we are on to the next point. failed in an interview multiple times. How big is that? So Arpita, yes. Yaman, yes. Nagarajan, yes. Vikram, yes. Nitish, yes. How many times? How many times? How many times you have failed in an interview? Can you tell me how many times? Arpita says 2. 10, Vikram. Are you sure? Nitish 4 times. Nagarajan not counted. Okay. This is coming out to be interesting. Not attending interviews, lack of confidence. Rohini, you need to try at least. As it multiple, more than 5, Yaman says, multiple times. Okay. Guys, this is pretty strong. Now, frustration might lead to panic attacks or depression. Sometimes because you are feeling that kitna frustration hai, boss nahi sunta hai, interview call nahi aa raha hai, interview crack nahi ho raha hai, and just because of that, you sometimes get panic attacks, and you sometimes get the feeling that you might get a panic attack or get into a depression mode. Yes or no? Do not go literally by the word. It is like panic attacks, frustration, and then depression. Anxiety is also a part of it. How many times that becomes a major problem for you? Yeah, you've been asked to go and deliver on a stage and you are getting anxious. You're feeling frustrated. Why was I not informed earlier? So a lot of you feel that this happens. Last but not the least, 8th one, your family does not support you in your dreams. That's why you feel underconfident. Yes or no? Yes or no? Arpita says yes. Yaman says no. Nagarajan says no. Vikram says yes. Kalyan says no. So a very, very mixed response here, right? But I want you to at least pick that one problem out of these or 2 which are holding you back. I want you to pick that 1 or 2 major real problems which you feel are holding you back and making you underconfident. Can you write down the number after looking at the screen? I want to see that, most of you are hung up on which one. Yes, Vikram, everyone wants to do that. We'll come to that. Now just answer the question which I've asked. Give me a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, and 4. Not able to grow, not able to cop up. 1 is common, 4 is common, 3 is common. 1, 4, and 5. Kalyan says. Right. So 4 is like stuck on the same salary bracket for long time. Not able to grow my career is pretty common. Almost everyone has it. Not able to cope up with inside politics is also coming up. 4 and 5 is also unable to grab new opportunities in the market. Right. So these are the problems, guys. And with all these problems, keeping in mind and picking up the true ones, the bigger ones, let me tell you one thing. That English, do you think right now is the real problem which is not allowing you to become super confident? Or there are some other problems? I want you to keep that question in your head, still on. So they do not answer as of now. I still want you to keep that question in your head, because I am now going to present it to you that what exactly is holding you back and what is not allowing you to move ahead and create those opportunities which all of you really want. Yeah. So let's see. The first big secret, guys, the first big secret. There are basically 5 levels of confidence. Remember this. And the first level of confidence is level 0, where you are like shy. You feel like whenever your boss tells you something to go and present on a stage, and you feel shy and you do not go and deliver it with the full confidence. You're shy. You're shying away from your responsibility. You're shying away from, let's say, going on the stage and delivering, and you're shying away sometimes from your work, shying away from your responsibilities. That is the level 0 when it comes to levels of confidence. Level 1 is hesitant but trying. Like, one of you said that, I even don't go to interview because of the fear, where I said that, no, please don't do that. right? The number two is somewhat confident, that you started trying and you started feeling that, your confidence bar is going a little bit up because you're trying, you're failing, you're trying, you're failing. Then comes your significantly confident stage. Yeah. And then comes your power pack performer stage, where you do not worry whatsoever may happen, whatsoever anybody says, your boss says, your colleague says, whatever politics is also going on, but you are spot on and you are saying that, I'm going to go and deliver. I am ready to even fail if that happens. I don't care that, what's going to happen, what's going to go wrong. So you're spot on over there all the time. Yeah. Then after this, keep this in mind, take a screenshot. If you are not clear so far, just keep a screenshot with you, because I'm going to make you travel this journey now. Yeah. That how you can become a power pack performer, that how you can become significantly confident, right? With me so far, type in yes if you are with me so far, and are you clear on this journey of confidence? Yes, 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 yes. Anybody else? Yes. Lovely. Okay, with all your yeses, let's kickstart. Now, secret number one, guys, and I want you to just put your brain behind it. What do you think you can unlock? What do you think that you can unlock? Right? What do you think you can unlock? What do you think can unlock your confidence, transform your personality, relationship, career, and income, right? This is all what we are looking for. You said career, you said personality, you said confidence, you said relationships, everything here. What do you think? Type in into the chat box that can unlock your confidence, right? That's why you are here. You want to unlock your confidence. Before I reveal it, before I show you something which could be mind-blowing for you. Rohini, that's right. That's what I showed. Relationships and income. Yes, that's true. But what do you think can help you unlock your confidence? At least attempt it, right? We saw the levels of confidence. We saw that, what level of confidence is there and how you are traveling, how you're going to travel that journey. But now I want to understand from you that what can unlock your confidence. Anyone, if you have an idea that, this is probably going to unlock my confidence. One small success. Oh, this is great. This is great, Kalyan. Anybody else? Anybody else? One small success, maybe Kalyan goes to the next level and then to the next and then never looking back. Comfort zone. If you kill the comfort zone, Nagarajan, that's what you're saying. Arpita, I am not fluent in English. If you can become fluent in English, Arpita is saying that she might get confident. One step towards next level, Vikram says, okay, like similar to what Kalyan said, one small success. Anybody else? Anybody else who feels something different? Rohini again says communicating in English can help me become confident. Okay. Okay. Corrective measures. Corrective measures like, Yaman, please elaborate. Positive reasons or friends. Interesting, Anu. Success, okay, it's already there. So can you come up with something new? Which is there, already there. Please, guys, do not repeat that. Come up with something new, which can unlock your confidence. I haven't got that secret so far, which I'm going to show you. So that's why I'm waiting and looking for that. Maybe somebody's already so much aware about this and can answer it. I haven't got the answer, which I'm going to show you in secret number one. Okay. So with all your answers and with not getting what I was looking for, let me share it with you guys. So self-awareness is the key to confidence. Your self-awareness is going to take you to a confident stage. If you do not know how and what you are, who you are, and I really want to know, can you anyone type in into the chat box that who you are? Can you just type in the chat box that who you are? I want to know that. I want to know that. Because I'm going to cover this in a very simple and a nice manner, and you will be able to relate to it quickly. But before that, just open up your mind and tell me, who are you? A machine with all mind, body, and soul. Rohini, that's not you. That's human being. Your personality. Who are you? Who is Rohini? I'm not asking a universal answer, which is like, that I am a machine, I am a mind, body, and soul. Everyone is that. Rohini, who are you? Can you tell me? Arpita says, I'm a positive thinker. Good, 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 Arpita. What else? Can you elaborate more about you? Guys, this is really deep. I'm able to make friends easily, Vikram. That's like a hobby. It's not defining your personality. And it's not only about your strength, it can be your weakness as well. Sometimes, you can define yourself with your strengths and weaknesses. Positive thinker again coming back. What else, guys? I always have a self-doubt. Look at this, Amit Trivedi. I always have a self-doubt. That's what I am. That's who I am. Agreeable, yes type girl. Oh, this is interesting now, guys. This is coming. I am an introvert with no clarity in future. Look at this, guys. Yes. So, self-awareness. If you know yourself, if you get to know and increase your awareness that who are you, and start traveling that journey step by step and find out what are your strengths, what are your weaknesses, then probably you will be able to say that, this is who I am. And it's very important, guys, till the time you do not know yourself, do not expect you to be confident. And I'm going to show you something now. I'm going to show you something, which is going to help you understand it even further. Now, this is Jatin. He's a part of my 21-day grooming challenge, which I consistently run. So Jatin had a situation like, his English was really bad. He was not great at English, I would say. And self-awareness a little. I mean, he was just a little bit of awareness was there that, this is what is the possibility. Now, he started working upon self-awareness. And what comes in self-awareness, guys, keep this in mind. He started spending me time. What is me time? Very important to understand that when you just sit idle, put headphones, listen to maybe some light music and relax. And you do not want anyone to come to you and disturb you. And you are just self-speculating. And finding out that this is what my personality is. This is what makes me happy. This is what makes me sad. This is what if I start achieving and doing, my life would look very different. However, what you do, you go and ask your friends who themselves, by the way, do not know that who they are. Ask them this question. All the friends you have gone to so far and all the friends whom you believe in, go and ask this question. Who are you, my friend? Can you explain? Do you know who are you? Have you spent me time? Have you done that every day on regular basis? Shutting your phone, shutting your laptop, shutting your all the things and just spending me time. Have you done it? Anyone? Anyone who has done it? Arpita has done it. Lovely. Arpita, can you just also explain what happens when you do it? Vikram has done it. Can you explain what happens, Vikram, when you do it? It's very important, guys. What happens when you do it? How do you feel? Forget about, explaining it too much because it's a feeling. What kind of a feeling is that when you do it? Are you on cloud 9 or are you down and out? Lovely, Vikram. That's a part of me time. It's okay, but I just want that, try doing just simply sitting and not doing anything, closing your eyes and believing in yourself that you are the person who can create something big. Cloud 9, Amit says, and confident. Lovely. When I do yoga and meditation, I feel light. Arpita, do you get clarity on your goals? Where do you want to go? Where are you currently? Do you get to know that also when you do that? When I do yoga and meditation, I feel light, confident. Do you feel that also, that, you're getting better and better? Glow on my face. Lovely. Visualize dreams. Vikram. Arpita says yes. Guys, we have a case study here. Arpita is doing it and she's feeling the magic. And Arpita, better than before means, can you say that you feel confident also? When better than before happens, it means that you're going to get confident. You're feeling confident, at least in that particular moment when you're doing it. Yes or no? When you say better than before, yes, confident. Very good, Sachin. Very good, Sachin. Vikram says feeling relaxed. So guys, this is your biggest and the number one secret. And this is not only the case study which just came in. This is a case study which I have seen and developed. Now, just Jatin is one of the examples. Now, me time started just for 10 to 15 minutes, meditation just for 10 to 15 minutes, exercise for 30 to 45 minutes. And result, would you like to know the result? In 21 days, this happened all in 21. Any habit which you want to form takes about 21 days. Do not put any alarm after 21 days. Wake up for 21 days at 6 a.m. and put the alarm. And after 21 days, you do not need an alarm. That's what I'm talking about. Do that on a stretch for 21 days. If you are not able to do it, let me help you in that. Right? So the result, what Jatin got after doing this, even though his English did not improve, he did not do anything for English. Bonus of 2.5 lakh rupees. Me time started 10 to 15 minutes. Meditation 10 to 15 minutes without missing it. Regular exercise 30 to 45 minutes. As a result, he got a bonus of 2.5 lakhs. Isn't that magical? We'll come to that. So they do not go into technicalities as of now, what exercise and all. We will cover that, all those things, what exercise and all. Arpita, of course, healthy eating, we all know it's important. And we are like, good, mature people who know it. But I'm just trying to put the context here. Do not go into the literal meanings, but set the context in your mind. If you spend me time, you will get to know what is good for you, what is not good for you. That's the point here, which I'm trying to make. And we go and ask many, many people. We ask from our parents, from our boss, from our colleagues, what should I do? I'm not confident. What should I create? I'm not getting that confidence. How should I go and present? Have you ever evaluated where exactly are you lacking? Have you ever sat down and spent good 20 minutes with you yourself over 24 hours of the day, which can make you realize this, that what exactly is happening with you? Both, Sudhir, it's physical, mental, both. Yeah. So guys, that's your number one secret. And then what happens after that? Now, Jatin, because he went to his office back, after practicing this, and then he told his boss, and his boss was also repeatedly telling him that, boss, you have communication issues. You are not able to speak confidently. What's the problem? Message भी clear नहीं निकलता है आपका. हर दम आपको जब भी बोलते हैं बात करने के लिए, कुछ ना कुछ आप बोलते कुछ हो, निकलता कुछ है, हो कुछ और जाता है. And then when he came to me, started understanding this, he went through one exercise which I do diligently. That is called self-audit. And then I got appreciation of self-audit because he showed that, what's going on and what's happening with me, who I am as a personality and what I'm about to do. When he did that exercise with me and then showed it to his boss, it came up like a positive way. Got appreciation because of self-audit to start only. in a positive way. He started with positive way because now his mindset was developing. He was learning this. I communicated about 1:1 session. So there is a 1:1 session also, which happens with me during these 21 days. So not went in a positive way. At the end, my super boss thanks my mentor for mentorship. This is just one example, guys, in the context. And there are many, many examples. And it is proven right now that self-audit can do magic for you. Can do magic for you. Believe you me. Yeah. And now I want to ask you, which one is bigger? Speaking in English or knowing yourself? Give me an answer. Speaking in English, type S. If you feel knowing yourself, type K. So Nitish has already typed knowing yourself. Knowing K, knowing yourself. Look at this, guys. The chat has blown up. Yes, guys. I am not at all debating on the fact that you should not learn these vital things. I'm debating on the fact that first understand who you are. What is the main thing which is going on inside you before you actually get into this? Arpita, yes, I again said the same thing. First, know yourself and then get into whatever you want to learn. These are all learnable skills. But the problem which we create for ourselves is that we make it so big and we feel confidence is equal to speaking English, which is not there. I'm trying to clearly break that. It's not that. And I'm going to give you more examples of that. Once you move ahead, you will feel that, something is there which is clearly coming out now. It's a pattern, guys. It's a pattern which I'm going to develop for you and you will understand. Now, number 2. Secret number 2. What is stopping you from becoming confident personality, multiplying your income, transforming your career? I want you to type once again because now you saw the secret number 1. Now, can you answer this question? What is stopping you from becoming a confident personality, multiplying your income, and then transforming your career? Because most of you said that this is the biggest problem you are facing. You're not able to grow in your career. You're not able to create opportunities. You're not able to develop what you want to develop for yourself. Now, can you tell me? I focus on things what I do not know and fail in confidence. I know myself on this. Laziness, comfort zone, lack of confidence, low self-image, Vikram says. That's great. Procrastination, Manjunath says. Okay. Anybody else, guys? After looking at the first secret and now coming back to the same question, what do you think is stopping you to get to your dream state of cracking multiple interviews, getting the calls, and then feeling and having a great relationship in the ecosystem, be it in your family, be it with your boss, and transforming everything? Overthinking and low self-esteem. Fear of failure. Guys, let's see that what it is. It's FOMO. Your secret number 2 is FOMO. Can anyone tell me what is FOMO? Can anyone tell me what is FOMO? Can you give me a... Yes. Rohini is on the button. Fear of missing out. How many of you feel that मुझे क्यों नहीं बुलाया presentation में? How many of you feel that वो boss के room में चला गया और मेरे को बाहर छोड़ दिया? How many of you feel that this was something which was meant for me, this opportunity was meant for me, and I missed this opportunity? And you sometimes also feel that I wanted to really learn this and I missed it. Is that the end of the world, guys? Is that the end of the world if you miss out on something? Why do you feel that, it's like, it's a fear. It's a kind of fear. Nagaraj mentioned about that, but I want to just make it clear. Fear of missing out is the biggest. Are you not gonna live tomorrow? Are you not gonna live for a year? Do not you say that, do not you believe that, there's gonna be multiple opportunities if you miss this, if you miss that. And if you start working on yourself, And you say that if I miss this opportunity, now I can create another one. Now I can create another one. Now I can create another one and develop that kind of a mindset rather than saying, अरे यार ये हो गया, अरे यार इसकी वजह से हो गया, अरे यार इसको बुलाया मुझे नहीं बुलाया. So fear of missing out. And I want to show you now something different. Tell me, what is the opposite of fear? What is the opposite of fear? Can anyone type it into the chat box? Courage. Dare. Rohini is actually on the button, guys. Wonderful. So here you go. It is dare. But Rohini, what dare you meant and what dare I mean is very different. Before I explain you about that, I want you to keep this word clear in your head and write it down. If you're not handy with pen and paper, guys, bring it down, because this could be your biggest takeaway for the day and you would like to implement this from tomorrow onwards itself. Yeah, either you can do it with me or you can do it yourself, right? But the point here is that this can be the biggest takeaway for all of you. Dare does not mean कि boss ने बोला कुछ और तुमने जाके खड़े होके सीना चढ़ा के बोल दिया, oh yes, I'm going to do it, even though you are prepared or not. Do not commit that foolish mistake. That does not mean dare. आपको किसी ने कुछ भी कहा and you सीना चौड़ा करके yes I will do it, even you prepared or not, at the end of the day, back of the mind, you know that you're not prepared for it. Do not commit that suicidal mistake. And that's how most of people end up killing up their career. I'm telling you that. We talk about risk, we talk about dare, but it's all about calculated risk and calculated dare. And now I'll tell you what dare exactly means. It's just an acronym. Do not take it literally and understand it in a deep manner. This is basically driving with clarity of purpose. D is driving with clarity of purpose. Now, your boss told you that you have to do this assignment. And because you do not have the guts and go and talk to your boss and ask him that question, you started doing it. Now you went back and showed that assignment to him or her. He said, what have you done? This is what I was not expecting. He or she said that, I was looking for something else, and you go back and do it again. You again go and do it, and you come back. He says, this is not the presentation which I was looking for. I was looking for this. What are you doing? You that time never got that clarity, what exactly he or she is wanting. If you go and ask those multiple questions and keep it clear and repeat it till the time you get it, that boss, aapko ye chahiye, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Boss, am I on the point? Are you clear? I am clear. What I'm saying, is that making sense? What you are looking for, is that clear? Talk to him at least 2 times. Make sure that you are doing with clarity. If you're just doing it, coming back, doing, coming, you are wasting his time as well as your time, and the frustration is creeping up with every round happening. This is a simple analogy, but most of you commit it. Type in if you are able to relate to this. Type in if yes, this is what happens. Because we do not ask, because we do not look for the clarity, because we do not know what exactly is the purpose of this happening. We just blindly go and do it. And let me tell you, your boss is not going to feel bad about it. He or she is going to say, wow, there's a change. There's a different way of now doing things. Now, probably you're going to come and ask it and get it clear. And then you're just repeating it again and again and checking with him that, boss, am I clear? Am I going in the right direction? And even if you feel that you've done some bit of it, let's say 25% of the work or 15% of the work is done, go and ask again, so that it saves his time, her time, your time. Have that clarity. Drive with the clarity of purpose. क्या purpose है? क्यों कर रहे हैं जो भी कर रहे हैं? क्या निकलने वाला है बॉस इससे? If you have that big enough goal clear in your head, these small enough things will not matter. Remember this. If you want to note it down, you can note it down. I learned this from my mentor. big enough goals, if you have, and you have the clarity on them, the small enough things will not matter. So keep that in mind, right? So drive with the clarity of purpose. That's D in there. Now we go to A. A is awareness of self and others. So you understood self-awareness. We talked about this, how you can get aware about yourself. And when it comes to becoming a super confident, when it comes to living a super confident life, if you know how much that person is wanting, what is the need of the hour, is this the piece of information which needs to be passed on, or you need to give everything and vomit everything at that moment? Do you know what is the need of the hour which you need to pass on to the other person? Do you even know, are you even aware that this is the right moment requirement? Or you just going and giving everything, whatever you have, whatever you've learned, whatever you've done, you just go and vomit because you feel that, I need to now just go and deliver. Whether it matters at that moment or not, you don't even feel that. And that's where, you miss the bus. Once bus is missed, it's very difficult to then again come back. Especially when it is a conversation. Ye conversation English mein ho ya Hindi mein ho, guys, remember, it will not make a difference. The difference which will come is this only, that you are not even aware that what the other person is looking for. You are not even aware that what are you going to present. You are not prepared for that. And that's where this problem starts creeping up and you become underconfident. When you are not driving with clarity of purpose, when you are not aware of yourself and others, your confidence starts dropping. And then comes your relationship transparency. Same example, you did that thing and you were absolutely doing hard work. Nobody is saying, you were even doing smart work also sometimes, but then you committed a mistake and a blunder, I will say, which it's a blunder. What you will do? What you will do? Can you type into the chat box? What you will do if you have committed a blunder? And that's a blunder which you feel it's just happened. और ये मेरा गलती नहीं है, ये बस हो गया. Tell me, what would you do if you have committed a blunder? And same situation, your boss working on a presentation, working on some important assignment, working on a project, and blunder ho gaya. Trying to make it correct. I apologize. Inform to boss before he finds out. Lovely, Nitish. And it is applicable in each and every relationship, guys. Be it with your boss, be it with your wife, be it with anybody else. If you do not come up and take that courage out and say that this is something which is being done by me and I apologize, and at the first moment itself, if you do that, let me put it very clear, your respect is going to go up. It's not going to go down. He or she is going to say that this guy is absolutely clear and telling me the truth. That's called relationship transparency. Have that. And your fear will start going down. Fear is equal fear. If you want to kill and cross, then you're going to dare. And you're going to dare with authority, with clarity of purpose, with transparency. And then last but not the least is engage with difficult issues. Some of you said that, maybe Ritika said that I am not going to go and I'm not given any interview. I'm not going to present. I'm not going to go and deliver on the stage unless you go and present and show it to others. Do you think that you're going to improve? Till the time you fail number of times, do you think you're going to improve? No. You will not be able to improve unless you go and engage with difficult issues. You know your challenges, you know your difficulties, you know that this is giving me a tough time, but you deprioritize that and pick up some tasks which are smaller, which are not that important, and doing them repeatedly, one after one, 1 2 3 4, बार बार उसी टास्क को करे जा रहे हो जिससे कुछ नहीं बन रहा है, कुछ नहीं निकल रहा है, ना ही लर्निंग बढ़ रही है. And you are just right now procrastinating and not engaging with the difficult issues, which is going to waste a lot of your time. That's there. Now, Nikhil, same case study, absolutely living in fear. having that same trauma that what should I do in this case, Vishal? I always worry what my boss will say. How will I pick up my career? How will I make my life different after going through the 21-day challenge? He just praised about me that, energy, enthusiasm, all that. But the most important thing, guys, I have underlined, he started building his future with clarity. And he felt that if I have the clarity, where do I want to go? What is my goal? What do I want to achieve? Then it was all happening fast. And only 2-3 sessions which happened, and he was able to get his job, which he was looking for. And he's really happy and doing good over there. That's what is Nikhil Prabhu as an analyst, professional services, technical support. He's already there and doing now good job, right? So guys, this is just a simple case because, if you operate with fear, if you have those kind of things which are holding you back and you're not engaging with them, and with the clarity, first have the clarity and then engage with them, then see the difference. Then see the difference, what happens to you. Yeah. So which one is bigger? Very important, guys. Speaking in English or dare? And I explained dare of what? Which one is bigger? Speaking in English or dare? And let me tell you, your English will automatically start improving if you start driving with clarity of purpose. If you start engaging with difficult issues, if you start challenging yourself, if you start doing this with relationship transparency, so it's automatically gonna go up, guys. Nothing can stop it. So once again, with secret number 2, I hope you are with me and understanding that, it is not English only and is not the only factor which we feel is the biggest of all, which is not allowing us to become super confident. There are bigger factors which first need to come to you. And I can tell you why I'm saying all these things and why I'm able to relate to it, because this was the same challenge. Being a small town boy, living an underconfident, shy, introvert life for 22 years, long years, I was feeling that, I need to practice. I need to go and talk to some people who are fluent in English. कहाँ से ढूंढूं ऐसे लोग? गांव से हूँ, एक छोटे शहर से हूँ, कैसे ढूंढूं, किधर से लाऊं? All those things, and then hiring somebody who can teach me English. प्रैक्टिस किया, जब तक उनसे बात किया, तब तक सब कुछ सही था. The day it went down, I got back to my environment, to my family, to my ecosystem where nobody was speaking in English. I was back to square. Because I didn't know, if I want to learn English, why do I want to learn English? My goal was not to learn English. My goal was to actually become confident. My goal was actually to become more clear. Where do I want to go? What do I want to achieve? And that is very common, guys. We all feel that, we have to put our head into it and go and do it again and again and again. But first make it clear, guys, that what is the purpose? What is the clarity? Where are you stuck? What do you need at this moment? Now, the third big secret, because you have understood this concept. Now you've understood that, what I'm trying to make it clear to you. Now it is very important that you should also understand how to get that high paying job. Even if you are not good at English, how to develop that career, how to multiply your income, how to grab those offers, opportunities which you want to grab. Yeah. So are you with me? This is what is the most important thing. With the problems we stated at the front, everyone said that, this is what is stopping me. And I still want to develop, but I still just feel that, because of English, all these barriers, I'm not able to develop that. Is that right? Is that right? Are you with me? Anyone who is with me on this? Yeah. Great. Lovely, guys. So let's deep dive into this now. Self-confidence is actually a byproduct of grooming. Yeah. And now tell me, what do you understand by this word grooming before I explain you why this is a byproduct of grooming? And it goes clearly into your head that, oh, this can also be a result if we are able to do that. Can you understand? To me, it's very different, and I'm going to explain you about that. But for you, before I explain, can you tell me what is grooming? What does grooming mean to you? And most of you, when you came to my world, you know that, I call myself a grooming master. I have written a book called Groom to the Next Version of You. And I work on that, and sometimes people think it in a very different way. So I just wanted to check with you all, what does grooming mean to you? Grooming is to polish ourselves, outer appearance and presentation. Lovely. Rohini, can you just try and connect the dots, what we have done so far and what you are saying, outer appearance and presentation? Is there any connection? If you can just try and build that connect and type it into the chat box, or anybody else who also feels like Rohini that it's outer appearance and presentation. Anyone? Present my own brand. Lovely. Confidently talk, and that's a result, Rohini. Confidently talk and interact. But when you said outer appearance and presentation, how is it connected to the earlier concepts, the secret 1 and 2? Secret 1, just for your reminder, is that it's about self-awareness. Number 2, we talked about dare, which is an opposite of fear, and that again related to your clarity, your purpose, your relationships, your transparency. Now, my question is that how is grooming linked to that? All of you understand grooming as outer appearance, presentation, building a brand. When you have clarity, it will reflect in behavior. Wow, Rohini. Superb. You actually have nailed it now. High self-image. Lovely, Vikram. Lovely. I just want few more people to answer this, because guys, you are now understanding. Before I explain you about this, it's very important to understand grooming. People feel it's only appearance. It's only external. It is important. Nobody is saying first impression is important. We have to create a first impression, and it doesn't take much. But why do I want to cover that today when I'm saying confidence, and that too without English? That still looks a little bit of English, appearance, branding, and all that. I'll come to that. But before that, I want to cover and put something great in your head. After that, you should not look back and should not look for other small reasons, right? So anyone who wants to answer this, I'll just wait for 30 more seconds. Otherwise, I'll move on. Anyone who wants to attempt it, that क्या connection हो सकता है grooming का और self awareness का? और उसके बाद जो हमें पता है grooming word, अगर हम डिक्शनरी में ढूंढने जाएंगे तो यही निकल के आएगा. Anyone? Okay, cool. So let's see. So to me, if some of you have read my book, Groom to the Next Version of You, it is actually internal grooming first, and then comes your external grooming. And there as well, I have a new definition for you today. But before I talk about that, let me just talk about internal grooming. So internal grooming is nothing but knowing yourself, guys. There's a deep connection between grooming and confidence. And that internal grooming actually makes you feel better. From inside, that voice comes in that I am someone who is really, really good at it. I am someone who is strong when it comes to delivering. I am someone who believes in his or her own principles and core values. Self-care, me time, self-awareness, clarity, and driving that is all part of internal grooming. Till the time you are internally groomed, what will external grooming do? What will external grooming do, guys? I know it is important. I know it makes a difference. I know first impression is important. But before that, guys, the biggest thing is internal grooming. And then comes your external grooming, where also I have a very different definition. You are your own brand, guys. How do you present yourself? How do you carry yourself? We feel that when we dress up well, we dress well because we want to create a great impression on others. But first you look into the mirror and say to yourself, are you feeling good about it? Dress well internally. and get that feeling. If you dress well, first you feel well. First you feel good about it. Yes, I am feeling good about it. Now it comes to going and creating a great first impression. Before you actually say that, oh, I'm looking good, I'm fancy, I will go and, rock the party, rock the stage. Before that, you know it internally that am I looking like a brand? Am I looking like great? Is my principles and values are in sync with this? Do you know the principles of personal branding? It is all about the right color combinations, what you wear. If you wear multiple colors, when it comes to girls, it is like welcoming. When it comes to boys, when they wear those black dark colors, it is like that you are not ready. You are black and bold, and people feel black and bold is magic. And I say, when I see somebody wearing black all the way top to down, I feel there is something which is there, and depending upon the occasion. So your internal belief system, your core values need to sync up with your external. Is this clear, guys? Do you now understand why I talk about grooming and internal grooming as well as external grooming? Or you are still not clear? Give me a thumbs up if you are clear. Give me a yes if you are clear before I move on. And I'm going to give you a chance at last also to ask some questions if you have any doubts. If you have anything which is still not arrested, because you should not go from here feeling that, these are the questions which are still unanswered. One is the option you can go and chat, and one is the option that I will allow you to talk, and you can say that, yes, I'm there, so that you feel that this session is actually live. It's not that, it's recorded one. So we are live, we are talking to each other. You are asking in some things, I'm replying. And then somebody out of you can also come on and talk to me. However, I am assuming right now that this is clear to all of you. Yeah. So with this, guys, tell me, what do you think is Shri Krishna's personal style statement? We talked about branding. We talked about external appearance. Internal grooming हमने पहले cover कर लिया ऊपर में. Abhi, I'm just coming to external so that it becomes very clear in your head. Can you tell me what is Shri Krishna's personal style statement? Depending on the God's personality, the personality he used to carry, and the values he used to carry. Can you tell me what could be his style statement? What could be his style statement? Anything which comes to your mind that this could be the style statement? Looking at this picture, anything comes to your head that this could be the style statement? Anyone? Anyone? Peacock feathers and chakra. Yaman, you are on the button. It's smile. It is not anything else, guys. It doesn't take much to get the smile on your face, even if you are wearing great clothes. Gucci पहन लो, Armani पहन लो, Zara पहन लो, कोई भी बड़ा ब्रांड पहन लो. But अगर स्माइल नहीं है ना फेस पे और गुस्से में घूम रहे हो, फ्यूरियस, एंशियस, कुछ भी अच्छा नहीं लगने वाला आपके ऊपर. That is called grooming. That is called grooming, guys. Smile is everything. And we do not know why we do not smile, why we shy away from smile. I do not know. Do you have to pay money for that? Do you have to, stretch so much to bring a smile on your face? No, it's free. God has gifted you. And that's why God gave you that example that this is who I am and that's what I do. Now, your smile is your logo. Remember this. Your personality is your business card. How you leave others feeling after having an experience with you is your trademark. Once again, your smile is your logo. Your personality is your business card. How you leave others feeling after having an experience with you is your trademark. That's called personality grooming. I hope it makes it clear. Very important, guys. Now you need to understand this. You can call it a self-grooming cycle or a self-confidence cycle. Now, because why do you need to understand this? Because if you are not after going through all the process, if you're not able to get this, you might miss on one very important concept and you might fall back from where we started. Hence, it's very important to tell you and cover this. Number one, your performance is the key. We all have known, we have all understood. Number two, on the x-axis, it's your transformation. Right now, I feel some of you are aware, unaware, or aware, whatever stage you are. You have to find out. Either you find out or let me help you in that. So performance. Number one, self-doubt. You do a lot of self-doubt. किसी ने कुछ बोला नहीं, जो आप जिसके बारे में ज्यादा जानते हो, जिसके बारे में आप फर्म हो, and you are 100% sure about it that this is how it works, you have more experience. Somebody peeped in and you said, oh, अच्छा, ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या? Let me try. ऐसे करके देखता हूं. And you left it there and you went into a self-doubt. That's basically a self-doubt, not doubting on anything else. And that's what is creating low confidence in you. Remember this. And I call it ungroomed. You know, when you are not groomed internally, you have a self-doubt, you are low at confidence, you are ungroomed. That's how it works. Number two, when you cross this bridge, which is like a pessimistic bridge, you get to a stage where you're creating opportunities, you are learning daily, you are spending me time, you are increasing your productivity, and you are improving your personality by actually learning daily some new things, which are important other than your work. It is not about only the work, guys. Remember this. We feel that it's only and only work which we need to learn, and that's going to make all the difference. But let me tell you, it's not only and only work. There are so many other things in your life which you need to learn and know and develop yourself. Get aware about you. There are many other things, guys. Many other things. And I call them as 21st century vital skills. There are functional skills. There are vital skills. And those functional skills, which you already know, your technical degrees, your certificates, what I talked about at the start, you already have it. And all of you have it. What makes you stand out? What makes you stand out is your vital skills. And what are those vital skills? You're writing in the book. You're doing me time. You're actually improving your interpersonal skills, your relationship building skills. You're talking to various strangers and putting yourself into some of the difficult situations where you know you are weak to improve yourself. And those vital skills also include your overall personality. And we do not spend much time on this, whereas we spend lots and lots. And we have been spending. It's been, I mean, somebody's 20 years, somebody 15 years, somebody 10 years. And so many people come to me and say that, मेरे पास ये degree है, मेरे पास ये degree है, मेरे पास ये certificate है, मेरे पास ये certificate है. And when I ask this, what have you done for your self-awareness? What have you done for your self-development? Then you know what answer I get? Generally 90% of the time, video course लिया था मैंने. वो मैंने इसका वीडियो कोर्स लिया था, वो मैंने उसका वीडियो कोर्स लिया था, उससे मुझे बहुत समझ में आ गया, and I am now getting self-aware. Do you think a YouTube video or a video course can teach the way I'm teaching you right now? Can it happen, guys? Tell me. Is it possible? Yes or no? It's very important, guys. To develop your personality, to develop your skills, to develop your 21st century grooming skills, vital skills, is it possible to develop them through a video course? Yes or no? You're most welcome to say no also. I am very open and a transparent, guys. So please go ahead and type in here. If you feel that, you know, some video course helped you get self-aware and find out that who you are, where do you lack, what are the possibilities where you can grow, what are the opportunities which you can create for yourself, how you can transform yourself, how you can become and play a bigger role. Is there anything? Sachin says no. Vikram says no. Think about it, guys. Let me bring you back. Now, after learning this and something is happening, you are increasing your productivity, you are improving personality. And then suddenly you fall into this again. Because you, after 21 days, felt that, ठीक है, समझ आ गया, अब तो मुझे पता है मैं कौन हूं, अब मुझे जरूरत नहीं है. And let me tell you, people who say this, They feel they are perfect, but I say nobody is perfect. There's nothing called perfection. There is only one word which you guys need to remember is progressionist. Are you a progressionist or you are a perfectionist? Do you want to become a perfectionist or do you want to become a progressionist? Type in PE for perfectionist, type in PR for progressionist. What do you want to become? Yes. Yes. True. Do not look for perfection, guys. It's all about progression. The person who is learning daily by even an inch and improving by an inch is bigger and better than the person who feels that I'm perfect, I know everything, I can create. And they are not confident. Let me tell you, those people who say that are the extrovert type of personalities and are still not confident. They are very dangerous. Yeah. So do not fall into this trough. You have to come back. Breakthrough happens if you by chance fall and come back. That is like adding value to self every day, adding value to others, and then breaking personality barriers. This breakthrough will come to your life, and after that, whatever you want, this is going to happen. This is going to happen. You will be spending me time. You will be loving yourself more. You will become a brand in your own eyes, and you will start influencing people. And then that's where I call from ungroomed to a well-groomed stage. Who wants to achieve this? Tell me, who wants to actually spend more time with him or herself regularly without failing? Who wants to love himself or herself more? Who wants to actually then ultimately become a brand and start actually influencing not only your boss, but many other people? Who doesn't want to do this? Who doesn't want to do this? Yeah. Tell me, guys, how much committed right now you are on a scale of 1 to 10? That yes, I am feeling that this is what can bring me to where I want to be, before even thinking and believing in that false belief, which was that I need to learn English to become super confident. Most of you at the start said that. And now at this stage, tell me that, what is more important? Is it self awareness? It is belief, or it is the command? And give yourself a 1 on 10 के scale पे अपने आप को rate करो that now I feel that, this is something which I really want to learn and I'm committed to it. And I feel that, this is 10 on 10. And if I get this, I feel that, I will be more confident. Even if you say that, I'm going to be more confident by 10%, 15%, some of you 15, 20, and some of you say that, if I'm at level 0, level 1, probably you will say that now I'm moving towards level 2 and then level 3. Because the more you're getting aware about yourself, the more you're getting aware about your challenges, the more you're getting and putting yourself into those tough things, the better it's going to be for you and the bigger you're going to become. Are you with me? Are you with me? Give yourself a 10 on 10 if you feel that's something which is really important and I want to do that. Give yourself a 10 on 10. Yeah. Have that commitment for yourself, guys, that, we really need to do this. We really need to create this. Yeah, right. Guys, now I think it's a very simple and a very straightforward question, which all of you must be feeling that, if you are able to travel this journey and you get clear and you become really, really well groomed, where my definition of groomed is very different from what you have understood. Now at this stage, I want to show you this. This is my transformation, right? 2015, 85 kgs to 2017, where I went on to do some multiple international assignments. And I want to tell you that, I'm not going to show you those pictures, keeping the time in mind. I presented and I interviewed Disha Patani, Vicky Kaushal, Javed Habib. You have seen that in the initial video, what we played. And then with that, more and more aware I was getting on things, that what do I need and where do I want to go, the better I was getting on various other things which are secondary to me, like speaking in English. Way too later that came to my life, because I was chasing English. I want to learn that. I want to learn that. I want to learn that, but it was never coming to me. I was never that good. But then when I got aware about these things, how I shifted, that's how it happened. Yeah. So 6 massive results, guys, I got for myself. And it's very important if you want to get these results for yourself, which is like self-confidence, believing in myself. Whatever happens, whatever somebody comes and tells me, I make sure that, I recheck, I recalculate, and make sure that, whether this personality knows more, or I know more. And what kind of a relationship I have with them, with him or her. I need to check that before I just believe and start working. More presentable. I became more presentable, 100% sure about it. Goal clarity. I knew where I want to go. What do I need to create? And then mental toughness. I developed mental toughness. And what is mental toughness? That when you know that this is basically my peak, and I do not want to listen to anyone and everyone, whosoever comes and says anything, and I believe in that. I really want to exhibit that leadership capabilities and have emotional intelligence with me resting all the time, that I know at this stage, I need to be mentally tough. Somebody comes and tells me and I start crying about that, shouting about that, and go and, talk about various other things. Do you think that's going to be like a great thing? No, a leader is not like that. Whosoever you feel is a leader in your life, think about that person. They do not react till the time they go deep into the topic. And that's what matters, guys. So this was something, which started happening to me. I acquired this very important 21st century vital skill. And of course, well-groomed, I already said that, as a result, and strong relationships. And when I say strong relationships, not only in my community, not only with my family, it is with everyone. It is with my family. It is with my parents. It is with my, you talk about my in-laws, you talk about, my circle, my boss, everywhere, this started flourishing. And hence, as a result of all this, I came across multiple opportunities. The number one, which was from Philips. I became a national key account manager, let's say in 1 or 2 years when I got self-aware. And that was like double the package. Then I got an opportunity in Panasonic. They offered me a job. Then I got an opportunity in Samsung. They offered me a job. Then after that, I got an opportunity to work at Havells to create something from zero, build a brand from 0 to 100 crores and build a complete team around that. And then not only this, I went on to also, in fact, create of my own, which is this today, what I'm doing with you, which is Vishal School of Grooming, which rests on the pillar of self-belief and self-awareness. And would you believe that, when I did that, it was like, I was 100% clear, 100% sure that what I'm going to do is what I love doing, right? I created that. I went through that journey. I went to a package of 60 lakh rupees per annum. After that, I took this step that I want to create something of my own and I want to build something of my own. And all that was possible with this one thing, which is having self-awareness. And there are very few people in here who do not have someone in their life and telling them. And I was not aware till the time I found someone who came to my life and told me, Vishal, let me show you what potential you have. Let me show you what opportunities you can create for yourself. Let me show you that what exactly is going to come to your life when you go all out. Right? Any questions, guys, you have before we can wind up? Any doubts you have, you can ask me. I think we are almost done. Yeah, so these are some of the people. I just wanted to tell you, Vimal, he has built his own house recently. After going through this, he would able to learn. Munmun Mohanty, a LinkedIn copywriter now. And then after that, Rituraj won a case. He's an advocate. And then after that, coming back to the 8 real problems, guys. Very important, because you have to see that how is the cycle completing. Yeah, so it's very important, guys. Before I go on talk about these problems, it is very, very important that you can right now Fill one form, because if you felt that this is what is connecting with me and this is what I'm feeling, and I really want to travel this journey, and I really want to feel that, what is going to happen to me next? Can I get more aware about myself? Can I become a well-groomed personality? Can I carry some bit of success immediately, let's say, by knowing myself more? So for that, you have to fill up this form, and I will see you live with me one-on-one, right? And we're going to talk about various things. It's going to be like a crazy session. I can promise you that upfront, because you're going to learn many things. You're going to learn, because in this 1.5 hours, you have already seen that, what I talked about, what could you see, what could matter to you. And then in one-on-one, we can talk about various other things. So we have very limited time, guys. So before we close the lines, and I can only address limited people, I cannot go on and talk to all of you because there are a lot of people in here. So it's important that I only talk to few people who fill up the form, and then we see that, if it is possible for you to understand more in detail, and if there is any question which is left in your mind, you can come and discuss with me. And or else, if you really feel that, you want me to help you in some of the issues where you are stuck, you can come and discuss, right? So fill up the form before I go on and complete the circle. What are the 8 real problems which we discussed about, and then how are these problems connected with you, and how you can actually, connect them with the secrets we have discussed. Well, it's very important, guys. You need to understand. So I'll just pause for, let's say, about a minute till the time you're filling, because I don't want you to miss this, because this is very important, guys. Whatever you felt so far, it has to go down at the end of the day. You said you are not able to create opportunities. That's a problem. You said so relationship with the boss could be a problem. You mentioned that, sometimes it happens that, you get an interview call, opportunity comes in, but you're not able to make it. You also felt that the opportunities only sometimes do not come. So all that, how is that circle getting completed if you are able to find out who you are? So I'm going to come to that and talk about that in a while. So meanwhile, in case anyone has any questions, guys, please type in the chat box. I will be answering. Or somebody who wants to come and live with me and talk to me, I can bring you and make you to talk. That is also an option right now. And or else you can keep filling up the form. So go ahead, ask me if you have anything, any question which is there in your head. I'll be more than happy to answer. The link is there. It's svvishalmanocha.in/apply. So you guys can go and fill that up. And meanwhile, anyone who wants to come on screen, ask me a question, because it's a live session. I'm talking to you all live. You're most welcome. Or else you can type it into the chat box, the way you are comfortable. Any doubt, any questions you have? You can ask any questions you have. I'll be more than happy to answer. It's 8:35, guys. We're gonna close it at sharp 8:45, and I'm gonna cover that last thing which is left while you are filling up the forms. So you can anyways type in your questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. Anyone who wants to come on screen with me, if you feel more confident now, especially after going through that session, if you feel that, I'm now confident, I can go and talk now. So most welcome. Or you can type in your question. You are most welcome. You can type it into the chat box also. I'll be more than happy to answer. Yeah, so let me circle back to the same point from where we started so that you understand. So not able to grow in my career was the first real problem. Now, just understand that why you are not able to grow in your career. You're not able to grow in your career because you do not know what do you want in your career. Because you do not know that what is that one thing which is not there in you in your personality, which is missing right now. Because when I asked that question, who you are, most of you were blank, and there were some 1 or 2 answers which came. Because till the time you do not know who you are, till the time you do not know what personality you are, till the time you do not know what are your weaknesses, I can tell you, you will not be able to grow in your career. It is not English. It is not at all English. I'm telling you again, there are very, very few brands who are hung up on English. There are many brands, because I have gone through most of them, their research I have done, tied up with many of them, talked to many of the HRs, hired many people in my tenure of almost 12 years. So I can tell you that, the end goal is always that how much a person knows about himself or herself. English तो हम सिखा देंगे, इंग्लिश में तो हम बुलवा लेंगे, बट क्या हम सेल्फ अवेयरनेस बढ़ा सकते हैं? नहीं, वो बहुत इजी नहीं है. उसके लिए डेफिनेटली you need to put your head behind and maybe work on your self development, right? So that's number 1. Bad relationship with my boss or approaching a boss is difficult. Now, relationship transparency, I talked about this. That comes under dare. Dare, if you're driving with clarity of purpose, secret number 2, you are going to be, and you have relationship transparency, this second problem is also going to go down slowly and steadily. And once again, it is not communication, it is not English. Communication comes later. English comes later. First comes the trust, which comes with the relationship transparency. Be it with your boss, be it with your wife, be it with anybody else. So that's your number 2 real problem, which gets arrested if you are actually able to do that, right? Number 3, not able to cope up with inside politics. Why are you not able to cope up with inside politics? Simply because you feel you have been always right and the other person is wrong. Most of the times you do not evaluate where did you go wrong, and in the heat of the moment, this issue becomes so big that you, at the end of the day, when this has become so big and the politics has actually happened and it has gone against you, then you circle back and look into that, where was I wrong? If you could have done that in the first step and found your mistake first and then gone to the other person and shouted or blasted him, then it would have been different. So there are only 2 things, guys, which happen. One is silence and the other is violence. Remember that. You can note it down. Silence happens when you do not know what is happening and why is it happening, when you are not aware and clear about the issue. And violence happens when you actually become desperate to solve it without taking time, without deep diving, and without thinking about it. Then the violence happens. Yeah. So either of these 2 things will happen if you are not aware about the issue. Why is that happening? And there are ways to understand and deep dive into it. Stuck on the same salary bracket since last 2 to 5 years, not getting promoted like the way others are. Pretty common, pretty straightforward. Why? Same answer as I said, when you are not able to grow in your career is the byproduct of this, that your salary is not going and you are not aware of what exactly you are doing in that organization. Is that organization a right fit or not? Do you need to move out or not? Do you want to grow in the same organization or not? How long you have been made to wait in there, even though others got it and you are not getting it? There is definitely something big which is there, which is known to you, but somebody else is not pulling out, or you yourself are not doing a me time wherein you can find out that, what is the problem which I need to solve within me, rather than going and talking about boss, talking about colleague or anybody else. This is a real big pain point for a lot of people. And then comes your unable to grab new opportunities in the market. Why you are not able to grab big opportunities in the market? Because you are not able to create that personal brand for yourself, which is the secret number 3. And how will you create that personal brand if you do not work on the most important 21st century vital skills, which we talked about? Yeah. So the number 1 vital skill which we talked about is, of course, this, that, you have to work on yourself, your personality. You have to develop it. You have to first look into the mirror and say that, yes, am I looking great? In my own eyes, am I looking great? Am I smiling when I go into the interview room? Am I smiling when I go and talk to my colleagues and boss? Even though if the issue is so big, do you think by not smiling and showing a furious face like this will make you get what you're looking for? No. You have to learn mental toughness, and that mental toughness is only going to come when you know that you're going to solve it with lot of clarity and have your feelings in place. Yeah. So that's your number 5, which we discussed about. That's why you are not able to grab those opportunities. Failed in an interview multiple times. Now, as I said that, when we go as a panelist, when we interview many people, we always look for that how much clarity that person has. And the second thing we look for is that how the person is carrying himself or herself. The way you enter into the room, the way your body language is, the way you sit, the way you make the eye contact, the way you keep your arms crossed or straight is all it takes to be a great personality inside the room. And rest is basically how much you know about yourself. The question is going to come, tell me about yourself. You know that question is not about telling your history and everything. It's about telling that who exactly you are. Who exactly you are, right? What is your strength? What is your weakness? What are your achievements, by the way? What have you done? Something which nobody has done. What is that one thing which you have not written in the CV and still you are able to explain that beautifully? That will engage you with the interviewer, because interviewer has read your CV and you're going to repeat that again and again. Do you think it's going to be very different from the other candidates? Because as you already said that sometimes it is not that you're great at English, but what you can do differently here is that by getting aware about yourself, you can go and present in such a nice, polite, and a good way, a confident manner, by having a great body language, number 1. Then number 2, talking it thoroughly about that one thing, one story which you have prepared, which is like your achievement and you have not written it in the CV. Look at the way interviewer is going to give you mark over there. Yeah. So last but not the least, frustration might lead to panic attacks or depression. Yes, that's a biggest and the byproduct of all that which is happening at the top, because you're not able to grow. Your frustration is creeping up. You have bad relationship with boss. Your frustration is further creeping up. You're not able to cope up with the inside politics. You come back and you shout on your kids. You shout on your spouse. You shout on your siblings. You shout on your parents. Why? Because ऑफिस में अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, बिकॉज मुझे ग्रोथ नहीं मिल रहा है, बिकॉज रोज मुझे कुछ ना कुछ नया सुनने को मिलता है, and I am held. I am not able to grow. And at the end of the day, that frustration is going to lead to various other things, which is like panic attacks and depression. I have one of the mentee right now also who is suffering with this. I'm working on that person. That, please do not worry. It's all okay. Even if this job is there, not there, does not matter. First, get your health right. First, get your frustration out. Learn to smile. You have been here, brought on this earth to smile, not to just only do job. And see that how you then grow. Yeah, it's very important, guys. Keep this in mind. Last but not the least, your family doesn't support you in your dreams because they also don't know what you actually want to do, what you want to achieve. If they are not supporting you, because it's not that they are emotionally not bonded to you. They're not supporting you because they do not know that what exactly is the problem. They do not know that are you even able to explain to them that this is my problem. I did that self-awareness exercise, went through that me time and understood that this is what is stopping me. And that's what is not allowing me to go ahead and do it. So guys, if you have all filled up the form, great. Otherwise, we'll give you one more chance to fill up the form because it's already 8:45. We have a couple of more minutes and I'm going to present you something which will really, in fact, further make you understand that, what we do in 21 days generally when people come to us, right? So it'll make you further clear. Let me just share that screen quickly, because I talked about self-awareness. I talked about belief. I talked about how you can develop that. Now it's important that you also understand that, what exactly we do in these 21 days. Give me a thumbs up if you can see my new screen, wherein it's written Achieve Confidence. Yeah, Yaman has raised a hand. Yes, okay. Nagarajan has seen, Arpita has seen, yes, okay. So good that I get some votes. That means, so that's the goal of 21 days, guys. That's what we do. It's basically achieving confidence. And then how to achieve unshakable confidence in 21 days. So the implementation is basically an ABCD model, right? And ABCD, how it works: awareness, what we talked about, belief, command, belief, command, and then that results into your demand. Yeah, very simple. So then 5 levels of confidence, guys. Remember this, we have talked about. Now, what happens? You being shy, maybe you being hesitant, but trying, you being maybe at a stage of somewhat confident, then you get to significantly confident, and then you become a power pack performer, right? That's what happens. Now in 21 days Kickstart, we create one manual. We clearly note down the journey. There's a clear, an Excel file, you can say that, which is there, which is like a grooming guide where we see that day one, who were you? What do you know about yourself? Where do you stand? And then you keep noting and tracking your journey over these 21 days. And it becomes like beautiful what you have discovered in yourself on day 21, going through that journey. 0 to 7 days, we focus on awareness. We get you, let's say if you are shy, we get you to first stage, which is hesitant but trying. And over there, what we do a personality test. We do a self-audit exercise for which Jatin talked about. He got great results, clarity, and then mindset development, a positive self-talk, right? That's key. For all these things are being done in the first 7 days. Now, personality test. What is that? So are you a sapphire? Are you a pearl? Are you a ruby? Are you a emerald? So that when you explain who you are, you can talk about all these things properly, right? When you know about yourself. So self-audit, how is this? So I am at my best when, I am at my worst when, I'm truly happy when. So we talk about that, right? So it's a complete exercise. We do that. Then comes mindset, your self-talk. So 21 days morning affirmations. So you have to do it consistently 21 days and you will feel that, you are feeling pretty different, and they are going to be recorded in your own voice. And when you listen to that powerful voice, you will be amazed, right? Now, 7 to 14 days. So that was first 7 days. Belief. So to develop your belief, you need to have a daily scheduler, your weekly scheduler, your monthly scheduler, and your choices you are making. So there are certain things which you are daily doing, but can you make them productive with my templates, which I use for myself to get to a package of 60 lakh rupees? These were the things which I got from my mentors by paying lakhs and lakhs of rupees, right? So I'm going to talk about all these things and going to cover that and make you actually habitual of all these things. That's the biggest goal. 21 days will make you habitual. Then 7 to 14 days, we're going to do this exercise also, where you're going to talk about your intention of the day. Did you do that? Exercise, did you do that? Reflection, how was your day? You're going to mention that. Exercise, intention, and reflection, right? So all that once you cover, yeah, so your daily schedule, that's how they're going to look like. And then, yes, choices you make, which is like Netflix. Are you going to make how much time you are spending on Netflix, how much gossip you are doing, how much time you are wasting on TV news websites? So we're going to put that all in this beautiful tracker, right? So list 3 ways you will cut down significantly on these negative things like fear, worrisome situation, gossips. Kya hai wo situations? So we're going to talk about that and how you're going to cut about that. List 5 ways you proactively feed your mind positive inspiration. So all that is going to be with me. You might go wrong here, but then I'm there. My team is there who's going to support you, understand that where are you going wrong. So positive thoughts, feeding them, getting up early. 14 to 21 days is command basically, right? So your rhythm calculator. Are you speaking more or listening more? Has nothing to do with English. If you are listening more, you will be able to respond better. So there is a rhythm calculator for that, which we're gonna discuss. Then conversation checklist. How is your conversation with your boss? How is your conversation with your colleagues? How did you respond to it? So there's a complete template for that. Body language checklist. How you sit, how you make eye contact, how you talk to people, that's there. Your tone, the way I'm speaking right now, it sometimes goes in a very different way. It sometimes comes down to a normal. When I need to put thirst on certain things, I do that. So I have an international coach for this who works on me till date on tonality. So that's something, which I can pass on to you as well, because that's lovely exercises which I'm doing with him. Yes. So this is how it looks like, rhythm calculator. And right, so day 21 complete exercise. Body language checklist. How is your body language? Where are you keeping your hands here? All those checklists are there. Yeah. So this is the tonality exercise. Angry tone, warm tone. Yeah. So that's all about achieving unshakable confidence. That's how it's going to be, right? So guys, any questions you have at this stage? Any doubts you have at this stage? I hope you all got the link of the form. if you really want to come live with me and talk to me about your challenges, about your journey, about your roadblocks, if I can help you overcome. Yes. So I'll be definitely there, and I'll try my level best, provided I see your commitment also. That you have to also be committed, right? It cannot be one way. If, for example, if I am committed to my goals, I'm committed to transforming you, but the same way you have to show me and prove me that Vishal, I'm committed. Yeah. Want to know about the package means fees. So Arpita, so that's going to come to you once you fill the form, because we have to check that who are those people who are actually ready for this, because this is not an easy challenge. Somebody who is saying that, I'm committed and I can do it, then comes this fees. So we will talk about that, Arpita. If you have filled up the form, I hope you have filled up the form, because that will make you clear that what's going to be the other things. First is your commitment. That's where it's very important. Yes, Arpita, great. So guys, one more time I can ask you, because this was like till 9. So we are on time, on the button. We started on time and we are finishing on time. Any questions you have, most welcome. Anyone who wants to come with me on screen for asking the questions, most welcome. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, so Vikram has a question. Lovely, Vikram. Vikram, would you like to come on screen, Vikram? Would you like to come on screen with me? If you can come on camera as well before I answer this question, because this is a lovely question. Say yes or no, Vikram. Yes, great. So Vikram, let me just allow to talk. Yes, Vikram, go on.
सर मैं ये जानना चाह रहा था कि मैं लोगों को मतलब ऐसा कैसे मैं अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करूं कि लोग ट्रस्ट करें।
ओके विक्रम, जब आपने मुझे ये क्वेश्चन पूछा, तो ऐसा कोई इंस्टेंस बताओगे मुझे जो अभी हुआ हो पास्ट में, जब आपके साथ ऐसा हुआ और आपको लगा कि मेरे ऊपर लोगों ने ट्रस्ट नहीं किया और मैंने बहुत कोशिश करी बात मनाने की, समझाने की। थोड़ा सा बैक स्टोरी दो मुझे।
कई बार होता है।
कोई एक स्टोरी जो रिसेंट हुआ हो,
जैसे
कॉन्टेक्स्ट सेट करो।
घर वालों के साथ, मतलब रिलेटिव्स के साथ तो ये है, बट अननोन पर्सन के साथ भी कभी कभी होता है। रिसेंटली हुआ था।
बट
क्योंकि
कोई
अननोन
सिचुएशन
पर्सन,
विक्रम, कोई सिचुएशन घर वालों के साथ हो गया या बॉस के साथ हो गया या ऑफिस में हो गया, बट कोई सिचुएशन ऐसी जो आप थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन कर पाओ।
जैसे कि मैं किसी को अपना, जैसे मैं अपनी मार्केटिंग की फील्ड में हूँ।
अच्छा विक्रम, 1 सेकेंड। इज एवरीवन एबल टू हियर विक्रम? Is everyone able to listen to Vikram? Can you give me a thumbs up that you are able to listen to Vikram? Yes, okay. Nagarajan is saying they are able to listen to you. Great. Go on, Vikram. Now, घर वालों के साथ
सर,
जो आप बता रहे थे।
हाँ सर, जैसे मैंने कोई प्रोडक्ट एक्सप्लेन किया हो या कोई प्रोडक्ट पिच किया हो या किसी की प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करना चाहता हूँ मैं, चाहिए हो, तो ऐसा कई बार हुआ है कि लोग ट्रस्ट बिल्ड नहीं करते हैं। मतलब कई बार रिस्पॉन्स वैसा नहीं देते हैं जैसा हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं। ये ये चीज।
Very good question, Vikram. And thank you for asking this question, because this is really relevant and important, because this can happen to you all when you are actually not getting that trust with your spouse, with your boss, with any, I mean, a good sporty friend also. You have given some money probably to someone, and that money is not coming back to you. That's kind of, the trust is not there. ऐसा कोई सिचुएशन भी हो सकता है विक्रम, राइट? कि आपने किसी को पैसा दिया, आपने ट्रस्ट करके पैसा दिया और आप सोच रहे हो कि वो पैसा वापस आना चाहिए था, बट अब नहीं आ रहा है। Yeah. So, before I go on and answer, Vikram, do you want to say anything else?
No, that's the only question.
Okay, so you can put yourself on mute. Let me do that so that I can. Yeah, great. Now, जब भी ऐसा हो कि ट्रस्ट डेवलप नहीं हो रहा है और सामने वाला समझ नहीं रहा है आपको बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, कि आपने अपनी तरफ से पूरा एफर्ट कर लिया, आई वॉन्ट यू टू डू वन एक्सरसाइज विक्रम. आस्क multiple questions rather than making statements. For example, right now, to deep dive and understand, I was asking you question that ऐसा क्यों हुआ होगा. सामने वाला जब आपको ट्रस्ट नहीं करता ना, तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है विक्रम कि वो ट्रस्ट कभी डेवलप हुआ ही नहीं था. आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि ट्रस्ट डेवलप हो चुका है. तो मे बी द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, डू यू ट्रस्ट मी? that person might say yes, no. बॉडी लैंग्वेज से आपको समझ में आएगा विक्रम कि ट्रस्ट है कि नहीं है. वो इवन यस बोल भी रहा होगा ना, तो आपको पता चलेगा ट्रस्ट नहीं है. अब ट्रस्ट डेवलप करने के लिए आप उनसे एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हो कि वो मुझ पे ट्रस्ट करें. ऐसा नहीं होता है विक्रम. आपको वो ट्रस्ट डेवलप करने के लिए 2 स्टेप लेने पड़ेंगे. और वो 2 स्टेप क्या होते हैं कि आपको उनके लिए कुछ ऐसा करना पड़ेगा जो शायद उनके किसी फैमिली मेंबर ने किया हो उनके लिए, या अगर आपकी वाइफ है यहाँ पे या आपकी कोई फ्रेंड है यहाँ पे, तो आपको एक्चुअली कुछ ऐसा बड़ा रोल प्ले करना पड़ेगा जो आपको मालूम है कि किसी और ने उनके लिए किया था और शी वाज लाइक सुपर हैप्पी एट दैट टाइम. इट कुड बी योर बॉस, इट कुड बी एनीवन. यू नो, व्हेन इट कम्स टू अ कॉर्पोरेट, हम बॉसेस को हमेशा दूर रखते हैं अपने से. बट द डे यू ब्रिंग देम क्लोजर टू यू बाय इनवाइटिंग देम टू योर प्लेस फॉर अ डिनर, the day you tell them that boss, can we go out if you are not comfortable, I want to have a cup of coffee with you, I want to discuss my problems with you, मेरे को बहुत सारे इश्यूज हैं, आप ही मुझे हेल्प कर सकते हो. इट इज बिल्ट ओवर अ टाइम विक्रम. इसको टाइम लगता है. ट्रस्ट कोई ऐसी चीज नहीं है जो रातों रात डेवलप हो जाएगी. और एक्सपेक्टेशन इज द बिगेस्ट किलर ऑफ ट्रस्ट विक्रम. ये याद रखना, बहुत एक्सपेक्ट मत करना कभी भी किसी से जब तक वो रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रेंथन नहीं हुआ है. आपको रिलेशनशिप स्ट्रेंथन करना होगा तभी ट्रस्ट बिल्ड होगा. ट्रस्ट इज द अल्टीमेट थिंग. अगर किसी ने आपके ऊपर ट्रस्ट कर लिया ना, तो आपके लिए जान भी दे देगा. और अगर ट्रस्ट नहीं करते ना, तो कुछ भी कर सकता है वो. आई होप विक्रम दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन.
ट्रू है.
वंडरफुल. Yes, guys. Anyone else? Okay, one more question I can see in the chat box. Okay, so it was just a great session. Anyone, guys? Anyone? Before we have 2 more minutes. You can again come on screen, ask the question. Dhanraj, Kamal, Nagraj, Nitish, Rakesh, Rohini, Sachin, Sheetal, Subhashish, Vikram, Sudhir, Yaman, all of you. Any of the questions if you have, guys, you can go on and ask. You can type it in the chat box. You can ask me and I will answer that before we close. This is just 1 more minute. In case you have not filled up the form now, just copy the link and take it. Any questions? Any doubts? Nagarajan and Arpita, you just said yes last time, or you have a question? Arpita, I think you already asked your question in the chat box. And Nagarajan, do you have any question, Nagarajan? No question. Great, guys. So I just request the team here to send the link of a Facebook group, which we have created for here. Most of you are present. If some of you are not there, guys, I'm going to come probably, every fortnight like this and share something with you. Yeah. So maybe it's like on confidence, maybe it's like on something else. I want you to bring in more people. And the more you bring in, we see that, if you can type it into the group where you are already there in the WhatsApp group, and I got some 4-5 people, maybe you get a chance as a surprise to be a part of my 21-day grooming challenge. That's a big announcement, right? So I'm not going to take anything. I just want to see your commitment, and you have got at least 5 people minimum in the group. Then I'm going to give you that chance of coming in and doing it with me for 21 days, because that's something where you are participating in my mission of grooming 1 million people and making them actually both internally and externally well groomed. That's my mission. And the link is there. Please copy that link. Be a part of the community. Bring more people into the community by passing on that link and write it into the chat box. Very important. When you do that, probably it's a big surprise for you. You never know what comes to your life. It could be my one-on-one session. It could be 21 days challenge, depending upon what kind of an effort you have put in to bring this community up. Because the more we help people, guys, the more our country is going to get better. The more we make people aware about themselves, the bigger is going to be their career. The bigger is going to be their overall development. And when they develop, when you develop, first I developed, then now you're going to develop, and then you're going to develop many more. And that's where we see a great ecosystem, right? That's what our country needs, guys. That's the only thing our country needs. Otherwise, we have a great country, a great environment, and a great, great ecosystem. So we just need to contribute. And that's what my purpose of life is, and could be yours. You could be a part of my mission. Yeah, you're already there in the community. Now bring in some more people. There is a form, and we are on the button now, 9:01. With this, I am signing off. It was lovely having you all, and see you soon, I would say, right? So there is a form link. If you want to come to me, there is a group link. So you can use either of them, right? Or you can use both of them, right? Great. With this, signing off, Vishal Manucha.